Hi everyone, it's me Leigh with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and I am here to do a video response on a challenge. So Stefanie Pettis with Rolling Stones, Studio Rolling Stones. Why does that not sound right? Let me go look. It is Stefanie Pettis with the Rolling Studios, not Stones. Rolling Stones is music, which she actually writes her own music, but yeah, Stefanie Pettis and the Rolling Studio. Okay, now that I get that all worked out, um, she has a challenge going on, and you have to make a craft, but it has to be with lighting. Add light, put light with it, stick a candle, one of those battery operated candles or something. Anyway, so I made this nightlight. If you remember, I need to glue that down a little. See, it moved. I need to glue that a little bit. Let me turn on Charlie. So if you remember, I made the night lights and the template myself. This is just a night light from the dollar store. I would recommend taking out the bulb from the dollar store and getting the ones that you find at Christmas and in the lighting section where they're LEDs and they don't get hot, because you would hate for any of this to get hot, and they do make them that don't get hot. I never leave a night light on. I only do it when like company comes over just so it looks cute, and this actually is prettier than the light socket. And so the trim is from Hobby Lobby. The little beads are from Hobby Lobby. This I painted because to match it, and I got the paint from Hobby Lobby. And this is from the dollar store. The template is on my blog on Victorian Dreams Facebook. So it's down below, and all you have to do is put nightlight in, and you can get this template. I will also put a link down below of Stefanie's YouTube channel and of the tutorial. It's so fast. I mean, you can get this done in less than 30 minutes. The paper is images that I got for being a guest design team for Vectoria Designs, and it's VEC, not VIC. Victor Designs, like Victoria Designs, and that's how they pronounce it, but it's VEC, not VI. And I'll put that link down below too. But here it is. So everybody go check out Stefanie. She literally crafts in a 18-wheeler. She's a truck driver, and when she has time off, she crafts in her truck, makes her videos and all kind of stuff. So here's my project share and video response. So I hope you like it. I'm heating up Charlie because I want to glue that down just a hair more. And this is paper, and I have used material too. So either way is fine because it's not going to get overheated. So anyway, all right, and it's pretty. So hopefully you like it, and thank you for watching, guys. Good night.